Good morning, mimosa friends. I thought you might want to see what's going on in our garden. So today I'm talking about a specific plant and we're having a spotlight on Sedum Joy. This is this person here, this plant here. So I love growing Sedum Joy. It's very hardy. It's one of the succulent family. It flowers probably late spring and the flowers come out at first like a greeny tinge, and then as the season goes they slowly darken, so they got the little pink and white there, then they get to a more burgundy colour and they get darker. They're great in a flower bouquet. They're excellent as a dried flower, so they will last and last, and when they dry they go more of a brownish colour, but they sort of keep that pink tinge, so you can use them as a dried arrangement as well. They're lovely. They grow to about 60 centimetres with a spread of 50 centimetres. They aren't fussy about the soil. We get a very hot climate, hot summer, but we also get snow and cold here. Not a lot of snow, but we do get snow and frost, and it copes with that too. So it's an ideal plant for our climate and many other climates as well. It's worth giving it a go anyway. See how you go with it. I love it. See ya. I thought I would show you how I propagate Sedum Autumn Joy. So, very, very simple. You can actually divide it at the base if you choose to, but as you can see, I'm not going to do that. It's yeah, too hard, not doing it, not upsetting it. But what I can see is plenty of leaves on here, and if there was any small branches you could do, like those ones there, you could take them and use them as tip cuttings. So we might do that. All right, here we go. So I'm going to take those two branches there, actually we'll take three. All right, sorry about the camera work there. Trying to manage with two hands. Only two. I've only got two. All right, so we've cut those branches off. Yeah, they've got flowers on them. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. We will go and take those over to the potting shed and I'll show you what we do next with those. Okay, so as you can see, we have our three branches. We're going to use those for our cuttings. So what I'm going to do is grab a cell tray, just because it's sitting here. No particular reason, you could use anything you like. I'm going to fill it up with my compost mix, which is basically some compost and sand mix. Fill it up to the top like that. Right, now there's two ways I can do this. I can do them as cuttings, or I can put them in as just leaves, and the leaves strike just as well. So this one I'm going to cut the flower off the top. Knowing that that's the top, I'm going to cut that like that. I'm going to strip those lower branches and I'm going to poke it in, and I'm going to squeeze it down. Now I'm going to go to the next part and same, pull off the lower leaves, put that in. Right, okay, we could probably get another two out of this one, I reckon. Take those off, put that in there. And then this one, take the lower branch off, put that in there too. Poke those down, Right, the other way to do it is with these leaves that you've pulled off, you just poke them in and they should strike as well. Alrighty, so that's going to go into my greenhouse and it will get watered in. I might just do another one here because I picked 3 branches. Right, got another 6 cell pack here. Make sure my soil's filled up. I like to give it a little bit of a press down, not too much. Okay, so we have this one here. We've already cut the flower off. Take those leaves off, strip those leaves down, poke it in. You can make an awful lot of plants this way. Take those off. And then we've got this other branch, cut the flower off the top there. As you can see, it's pretty quick. Okay. Right. There. Right, that's going to go into the shade house, get a sprinkle of water, and it'll be great. They'll grow on. So what I'm going to do now is take you down to where I've done them before. Let's have a quick look, get a closer look at those. Alright. Okay. Now these ones here, these were propagated in spring. And look, this one here, it's even got a little flower on it. I mean, they're still going to take a little bit of time to come on, to thicken up. But as easy as that. Lovely. Fantastic plant. I just am amazed that it's not more readily grown. Just a fantastic plant. Okay. Please subscribe if you liked the content and I'll make more of these. If you want to make a comment, you can. And I'll continue to do a spotlight on certain plants, show you what I do with them as we go along. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.